Now, once we've entered formulas into cells, there are some quick ways to copy them into other cells without rewriting them. A straightforward way is to just copy the cell containing a formula and then paste it into another cell. Let's do this to find out the total amount spent on fried rice. Now that worked well, but there's another even better way. Remember the fill handle? We can use it to replicate formulas in several adjacent cells at once, saving us lots of time. In our example, we need to find the total amount spent on each item ordered, and the same formula applies to each item: quantity multiplied by price per portion. So let's use the fill handle to help us. We just have to select the cell containing the formula we want to copy, then put your cursor in the bottom right corner until you see the cross. Then we just click and drag the fill handle over all the cells we want to fill. When we release our mouse, the formula will be copied to all the cells selected and they will display the end result. A cool trick we can use to see all formulas or functions in a worksheet is to hold down the Control and grave accent key. The grave accent key is usually found in the top left corner of your keyboard. Now, as you can see really clearly in this mode, Excel is really smart and pays attention to how formulas have been created. What I mean by this is that if our original formula is entered into cell E9 as C9 times D9, and then we copy this formula cell 3 rows down, Excel will automatically move all cell references 3 rows down, and cell E12 will equal C12 multiplied by D12. Isn't that cool? Now to switch back to normal view, just hold down the Control and grave accent keys again. Now I don't want to overload you, so let's summarize what we've covered, and then you can have a go at practicing basic formulas in the mini challenge to follow. We now know how to create basic formulas. Formulas always have to start with an equal sign and are essentially like maths equations and combine numbers or cell references and mathematical operators. There are many advantages to using cell references in formulas, but the main one is that the value in formula cells will automatically update if the values in referenced cells change. To edit formulas at any time, we can use the formula bar when the cell is selected, or just double-click on the cell. And finally, we can replicate formulas quickly using the copy command or by using the fill handle and dragging it across adjacent cells.